This morning we're gonna make some banana and eggs for Spencer, for our not 22 months anymore, 23 months old toddler. So smash the banana first. You wanna help smash the banana? Smash, 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 smash. And next we gotta toss in the, what is this, Spence? Egg, that's right. Crack the egg. This in. Here you go. And we mix it in. Yeah, that's right. Gotta beat it like this. Mix, 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 mix. Let's come back around this side. Okay, let's move it over here. Okay, let's sit down here. We gotta start cooking in a minute. Put this in. Spencer's a little bit fussy this morning because I won't let him stand here. Well done. Let's eat. We wear our bib. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit hot, okay? It's actually very hot right now. Don't touch it yet.
Mama. Mama.
I think it should be good now. Try it. And I'm gonna make some corned beef hash for Rena. Today's day 1470 of us living the van life lifestyle. We are a family of 3 traveling through the US and we are in San Diego. We're just doing breakfast here today at the van. We're parked by the La Jolla shore by the beach, which we're gonna check out after breakfast. But let's first finish our morning routine here. These pasteurized eggs from Vital Farm isn't really that orange. The yolk isn't that beautiful. This is the organic kind too. We've been really liking this garlic dip that we got from Costco yesterday. Thank you. Let's see if it's hot first. Mmm. Mmm. More. Okay, I'll give you more. Mmm. Let's drink a little. And it goes zip. And it goes down and it goes zip. Spencer. Spencer. We got the mini mag tiles here. Magna tiles. I think Spencer is gonna like it. It's like a great travel size here. They're really small. Yeah. It's finally really sunny now. Let's head over to the beach. Alright, let's walk. You got the fish? Let's play here. Wow, look at all the toys.
And just a reminder on the beach, dogs are not permitted between 9 and 4 p.m. After that, they need to remain on a leash. Thank you.
Put it in, put it in, put it in. Let's put it in the bucket here.
I didn't think so.
The seagull's stealing some food. Look at this one. They found some food, it looks like. Do you hear them, Sven? You hear the seagulls? Oh, they're all coming. They're like, there is food over here. You gonna go after it? Okay, go after it. Such a beautiful day today here at La Jolla Shores. Ah, so perfect today. Looking pretty good. Not much crocheting at the beach. What a nice place to crochet, right? We're gonna get going. We say bye-bye.
Papa,
Bye-bye, beach. We had fun.
Papa.
Bye-bye. By the way, this is where we are parked. We were camping nearby, actually, last night. I didn't show you guys the exact area, but around this area. Yeah. All right, let's go back in the van. I know you're getting sleepy.
Mama.
Yeah, I got you. We're going to IKEA. We gotta buy a new bed, a fitted bed sheet because Spencer cut it with a pair of scissors, so we got several holes in them. But we'll go inside when Spencer wakes up from his nap. Spencer just woke from his nap and it's already dark out. Let's go in IKEA for a little bit. We'll probably eat here too.
You know why?
We rarely come to IKEA because we never need furniture, but we'll buy some textile stuff. So let's pick out the fitted bed sheet that we need. It's nice they got paper bib here too. Got some meatballs and Rena got some chicken tenders. Want some meatballs?
Nana.
Yeah, it's like a grill. This is a really cool playset, kitchen playset from IKEA. $80. Really not expensive. Too bad we don't have a house. IKEA is such a fun place to bring a toddler. He's like running around, he's having so much fun. Look, there's another toy here. Look, it's a dinosaur sleeping.
No, dinosaur is sleeping.
This is like a playground for him. He can kind of...
Children museum.
Yeah, like a children's museum. He can kind of just mess around and throw things around. Oh, yarn. Look, the bear is eating cereal. Where is Spencer? Whoa! We're leaving IKEA now. We got the bed sheet that we need and a bunch of other things. And we're about to go to find a spot to camp for the night. It's going to be a stealth camping spot again tonight. So let's head over there now. It's getting late. Alright, we found a spot to stealth camp for the night. I'll show you guys the spot in the morning. Alright, we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna cook an udon for Spencer here. He didn't really eat while we were in IKEA, so let's make him something for dinner. And we're gonna hang out here in the van for the rest of the night. We're gonna play with some new toys that we got from IKEA as well. And we're gonna be chilling in San Diego for another day or so, or actually a few more days probably. And if you guys want to keep watching that, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you guys enjoy watching this video, give us a thumbs up so that it can spread out to more people. Alright, we'll catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We gotta get this udon cooked, Spence. Alright? This is what we're making today. This one. Udon. And we're gonna add some bone broth to it. This is the bone broth that we'll be making. This is excellent. This is from Costco. We were looking for this one yesterday, but we couldn't find it. This was bought in the Costco in LA. So if you guys see it, I definitely recommend you guys trying this out. This was $12 for 8 of them. Really, really good.
Dada.
Whoop. Bang, bang, bang. Whoop. Bang, bang, bang. Whoop. More, okay. Okay, you gotta be very careful. We gotta put this in. Hot. In, yeah. Ow, ow, ow. It's hot. Yes. In. Very, very hot.
Dada.
Yes. Thank you, Spence. Thank you, Spence. Thanks for helping out. That's it.
Mama.
Eat.
Mama.
Ready to?
Mama.
We're ready to eat. Yes. First time saying the word eat. Gotta make sure this is good. Okay, try.